Hello everyone, my name is Maria Johnsen. Today I would like to talk about SEO link building. Many media companies wonder how to manage a successful SEO business. Search engine optimization is changing all the time. It's not about SEO is getting harder. It's all about how you manage your staff and flow work among them. Those of you who are older may have remembered back in 2012, the entire Google search algorithm got changed, which put many SEO companies out of business. Because these companies' SEO methods, which were based on blackhat SEO strategies, stopped working. So if you do the job right and apply the right link building SEO strategies, your company will be safe from going bankrupt. Link building is not hard, but it requires a lot of time and commitment. In order to begin to build links and truly generate backlinks, you have to provide value, either to the readers, to content curators, content creators, and search engine users. So how do you do that? It's a number game, really. I've been doing this since 2008, so I'm telling you. There are several ways to build links to your website. It doesn't matter what niche you are. You have to focus on your own niche. If you're doing online clothing, you're selling shoes, you're running a travel dental clinic or used car dealership. The whole point is to create content that is useful for your audience. Whether it's writing new content to publish on another website, which we call guest blogging, or getting websites to insert your links on existing content, which is called niche edits. There are endless ways to get links pointing to your website. So there are many strategies you could use. First of all, make sure that you have a proper on-page optimization. So using the right heading tag is important, having the primary keywords in the right place, and creating a catchy and optimized title tag and meta description. It's like writing an ad for your PPC campaign. So try to write the right pitch in order to catch the attention of your prospected audience. Try to create unique content that has a unique angle, because Google hates, not just Google, any other search engines, Yandex, Baidu, all other search engines. There are so many search engines out there. They hate duplicated content. So you have to put the effort to create content that provides a different edge. You're providing something better and more valuable to your audience. So write a unique content that your users, prospects are searching for. Some elements you may want to include in your content are more actionable information. Check out, search on Google, see what kind of trend is going on related to your niche. Images and screenshots. Use images and screenshots related to your article and embed relevant videos. Or you can create a nice presentation about an issue that you can solve, or just informative article about your niche. Create a SERP-based outline, because it's based on science and research, not guesswork. Something analytic, for example, how to sell the right product, and provide some analytical research numbers in terms of how you were able to sell that product. If a page is ranking high on Google for a particular keyword, it means they're actually doing something right. Identify the main headers that are common in all the results on the SERP. This also helps different contributors from your team throughout the content creation process to distinguish the most important elements from the completed research, including strategic elements such as URL structure and aspects related to content like alt text and subheadings. There is a technique which is called the Skyscraper technique. And it's you find some content, for example, what is trending, and you create content around it. For example, you can rank more than 800 organic keywords and see how many visitors you get. And it is also important to leverage link building community, because you are able to increase the organic traffic and total number of unique referring sites. Also, you may be able to rank your keywords in local search engines. Try to reach out to content writers. I don't call them journalists. Journalists are busy today. They have so many things to write about. They don't have time to, real journalists. But there are, if you are able to reach out a real journalist, then be my guest. Go ahead. If you have money and, or you have a newsworthy topic. So there are many content writers online who are doing very well and post articles on websites such as Forbes, HuffPost, and so on, but they're too expensive. So if you have money to pay to a journalist who's working there, actually if they get caught, then they will be fired. So there are a lot of negotiations going on freelance websites in order to publish an article on Forbes or HuffPost or Entrepreneur and so many high-ranked websites online. But if the editors find out about it, your money is gone. So if you have connection, it's something you may think about, but if you don't have connection and people charge you for $2,500 to publish your article on HuffPost, if that person who is publishing your article gets caught, then your money is gone, that person is fired, or the connection with that person will be disconnected. So don't do that. Don't pay. Try to do everything organically, because it's very important that you do it, for example, the right way in order to not lose money, Reaching out to very specific journalists has been instrumental in securing large placements, Sites like Business Insider, The Kitchen, and the others. What you should do is to reach out to a blogger who is also a journalist and secure secure your publishing aspects of articles on those websites. But it's very tricky. So don't listen to whatever people say online, and don't risk your hard-earned money on paying top dollar to these websites. Just find the right people. You can start, for example, from LinkedIn, searching for journalists and reach out. Another thing is on medium.com, some journalists are doing very well. So you can create your own Medium channel on medium.com and write quality articles. When they find out that you have the right information, they will reach out to you. And you can also use backlink exchange strategy. For this strategy to work, you need to have access to another websites that have over 70 DR, domain authority, and trustful, and exchange link with them if they agree. But just one thing you need to pay attention to, that link exchange was a trend a few years ago. Still you can use this link exchange strategy, but every few years, Google bans certain strategies and call them blackhat SEO. It could have been white hat a few years ago, but not anymore. But you may want to use it. So it's one of the link building strategy, but I highly doubt that it is called link exchange is called white hat SEO. But you may want to do a manual outreach as well. But try to do it within your niche. If you're selling shoes, then you have to reach out to those websites, shopping websites that are engaged with the same niche and do the link exchange. But you have to have something important for them in order for them to want to exchange links with you, your website. But there are some aspect of link building is very important, such as incoming, outgoing link ratio, a strong backlink profile, organic traffic to host website, and the type of keywords that the website is ranking for. So try to grow your backlinks in a healthy way by choosing well-trusted websites with high domain authority, so that your website doesn't risk any Google penalty. Because high-quality backlinks need high-quality content. So don't just grow your backlinks through linking to whatever websites. And also diversify your backlink profile. It's not just content, but RSS feeds. There are so many strategies, images, PDF publishing, because this makes your page, which you're pointing links to, more powerful in terms of having a backlink profile. It's very important to produce well-written articles for other websites as well. Guest blogging still works. The catch is to increase the quality of work. So if you put yourself in the shoes of the receiver, you will understand that how important it is to create a quality backlinks for your website. Another strategy is to create industry statistics. Create a hub of the most relevant statistics in your industry. And especially if you are selling SaaS software and app. So you would need a data-driven and using some sources that proves some facts about your niche. Using this type of link building tactic helps you to rank for a number of keywords and earn, because people will, and they will link back to your article, and they give more authority to your article, and this is how you will be able to get higher backlinks and traffic, of course.